Swadika! Hello everyone, I'm Nati from Holiday Story. I think many of you have heard about Phuket Sandbox Plan, and I know that many of you waiting to travel here in Thailand. Today I would like to update you regarding the Phuket Sandbox Plan, and of course, until further notice, we still have to wait for the Royal Cassette. At the moment, let's see who are allowed to travel here in under Phuket Sandbox Plan. All vaccinated adults who are living or coming from abroad from the low and medium risk country are more than welcome here to travel under Phuket Sandbox Plan. And the second group are unvaccinated children under 6 years old. They are also allowed to travel. However, they must be traveling with their guardians and their parents who has been vaccinated. And the third group are unvaccinated children from 6 years old to 18 years old. But of course, they must be traveling with their guardians or parent who has been already, vaccinated. However, this third group must be take a test, a COVID-19 test, here in Phuket upon their arrival. Of course, they must be paying by themselves. And before traveling to Phuket or under Phuket Sandbox, you must be vaccinated at least 14 days before your departure date, but of course not more than 12 months. And the next step, you must know what are the Phuket Sandbox requirements and what to do and what to prepare, what kind of documents and things like that. So the first thing, you must be vaccinated, and of course you must have the proof or the certificate of it. And the second one, you must have ThailandPlus alert application downloaded on your mobile phone during your stay here in Phuket. And the third one, you must have RT-PCR test upon your arrival here in Phuket and also during your stay in Phuket. And the fourth thing, you must have COVID-19 insurance, of course, with the minimum of $100,000 value. And of course, this must be covered during your stay here in Thailand. And the fifth one, you must have certificate of entry, which you apply or get from the Thai embassy or consulate from your country. And the sixth one, you must looking for or must stay in ThailandPlus hotels here in Phuket only. So here are the 6 information or the thing you must be prepared before coming to Thailand, and this requirement must be fulfilled before applying or coming to under Phuket Sandbox Plan. So the last thing to remember and very important for you to understand and to know, first of all, when you're looking for the ThailandPlus hotel, the ThailandPlus hotel must be only in Phuket, and you must be staying there in Phuket for 14 nights. However, you can split the first 7 nights in one hotel and the second 7 nights in another hotel with no problem. And at the moment, you must fly from your country or from abroad directly to Phuket only, and not allowed to be transit in Bangkok yet. And the third one, if you are staying here less than 14 days in Phuket, of course you are allowed to travel out of Thailand. However, you must be living from here to international destinations only, not allowed to travel inside Thailand. Well, I hope these 3 main things I have updated for you today is useful, and of course I'm looking forward to welcome you here to Phuket. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to Phuket soon. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ